Stalatube is the global leader in high-strength stainless steel tube solutions. Our story began in Lahti, Finland in 1972, when our family business produced its first stainless steel kitchen sinks. When those sinks needed stronger support, we created our own stainless steel structural tubes and discovered something bigger. In 2000, Stalatube was established as a dedicated company, and today we're proud to be a worldwide leader in our field. Today, innovation and responsibility go hand in hand in everything we do. We offer the world's widest selection of high-strength stainless steel structural tubes, combining premium quality with innovative performance. Our products are made from recycled steel in Finland and Poland and trusted by customers in over 50 countries, from Europe to North America, Asia, and all the way to Australia. But sustainability is not just about environment, it's about people. As a family-owned company, we invest in our team because we know that success starts with a thriving, empowered workforce. Our Finnish roots shape how we think, how we act, and how we lead. Our high-strength tubes, profiles, and I-beams form the backbone of tomorrow's transport, energy, and construction industries. All the stainless steel products are 100% circular, and over 75% of our raw materials are recycled. With Stalatube, you get more than strength. You get lighter structures, lower environmental impact and long-term savings, all in one smart, sustainable solution. We respect people, planet and progress, and we're building the future side by side with our employees and customers. Use our strength. Stalatube.